Hello, savvy investors. Today, we are on a journey to explore the fascinating world of real estate investments. We'll not only discover lucrative opportunities, but also unravel the secrets to minimizing risk and ensuring maximum returns. So, buckle up and let's embark on this insightful expedition. First and foremost, let's talk about location intelligence. Investing in a prime location significantly reduces risk. A well-chosen location ensures higher demand, better resale value, and resilience against market fluctuations. Next on our list is market research. Understanding the local real estate market is like having a crystal ball. Analyze trends, study historical data, and identify emerging opportunities. Knowledge is your shield against unforeseen risks. Now, let's dive into diversification. Spread your investments across different property types and geographic areas. Diversification acts as a safety net, minimizing the impact of a downturn in a specific market segment. Moving forward, consider realistic budgeting. Set a budget that allows for unforeseen expenses and market fluctuations. Overstretching financially is a risky move that could lead to financial strain. Fifth on our journey is due diligence. Thoroughly research potential properties. Check for legal issues. Inspect the property condition and evaluate its future potential. Due diligence is your armor against unpleasant surprises. Let's not forget the power of long-term vision. Real estate is a long-term game. Adopting a patient approach and holding onto your investments allows you to ride out short-term market fluctuations for long-term gains. Next up, risk mitigation strategies. Have contingency plans in place for various scenarios, whether it's a market downturn or unexpected property issues. A well thought out strategy will keep you prepared. Now, consider professional advice. Consult with real estate experts, financial advisors, and legal professionals. Their insights and expertise can guide you towards sound investment decisions, reducing the chances of costly mistakes. Penultimately, adaptability is key. Stay informed about market trends and be ready to adapt your strategy. Flexibility ensures you can navigate changes in real estate landscape effectively. Lastly, continuous learning. The real estate market evolves. Stay updated with industry news, attend workshops, and learn from both successes and failures. Knowledge is your greatest asset. If you found these insights valuable, give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more in-depth exploration into the world of investment. This is Financial Whiteboard World.